ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম ওয়া রাহমাতুল্লাহি ওয়া বারাকাতুহু। কি করো বাবা?
Today I'm going to cook fried rice.
You gonna cook fried rice? Mashallah.
let's see what the
আজকে আমার বাবা ফ্রাইড রাইস কুক করবে আর আপনাদের সাথে শেয়ার করব।
And today we have, let's see what the ingredients.
Wow, you have a lot of ingredients. What do you
So
have,
we
Baba?
Carrot, cabbage,
Yellow pepper.
yellow peppers, red peppers, murich,
Moriche, chili peppers and
chili
onions.
onions,
And you have
garlic,
uh-huh.
and greens beans, and chicken,
Marinated
and
chicken.
sauce, and soy sauce, and butter, and rice.
Mashallah, you have a lot of ingredients. Okay, now let's start cooking.
Yes.
Let me turn that stove on, okay?
Make sure my mommy turn the stove on for safe, and my mommy's gonna help me to cook.
Okay.
Let's see what we're going to
Okay, I turn the stove on. Now just wait until it's dry up, okay? আজকে আমাদের ছোট শেফ চিকেন ফ্রাইড রাইস কুক করবে আর আমি আরহাম বাবাকে হেল্প করব, রাইট বাবা? আরহাম কুক করতে অনেক পছন্দ করে, আজকে আরহামকে আমি হেল্প করব, আরহাম ফ্রাইড রাইস কুক করবে।
Now the water is dry, I'm going to put the butter.
Okay, put the butter. You need help, Baba?
No, I don't.
Be careful.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
Okay.
The butter's melt done. Now I'm going to put the garlic.
Yep,
Ready?
now put the garlic. Be careful. Yay, mashallah.
Let's just add some more because,
It's okay, mommy help you.
yeah, thank you.
Because it's so
Let me
hot.
let me just spread it.
Okay, spread it now. Okay, now you have to wait until garlic is got a little bit roasted, okay? Mashallah, mashallah, Arham is cooking good. Hold on, say it again.
Now the garlic is roasted, I'm going to add the chicken.
Yeah, now put the chicken. Now Arham cooking chicken, right? Good job, mashallah. দেখেন তো আমার বাবাটা কি সুন্দর করে ফ্রাইড রাইস কুক করতেছে।
Now the butter got roasted. I just put the chicken. My mom helped me put the chicken on.
Yes, mashallah, mashallah. দেখেন তো শেফ কি করে আমাদের ছোট্ট শেফ।
I'm cooking for you guys. Mommy.
Yes, Baba.
The chicken is almost done. Look at the other ingredients.
Okay, Baba, let me check. Wow, it is almost ready. A little bit more cooking.
Yeah, let me cook. Let me
Okay.
just spread
আর
it.
একটু করে কুক করার পরে তারপর ইনগ্রেডিয়েন্ট অ্যাড করে দিব, ওকে? নেক্সট ইনগ্রেডিয়েন্ট।
Mommy, chicken is done. I'm going to add the next ingredient.
Okay, Baba.
Let me
Cook.
dump it for you.
Okay, you need a help? Mashallah. Wow. Now cook the cabbage and carrot first, okay? Wow, mashallah. Look at Arham. He's like a professional cook. Wow. Let me see it's ready. A little bit more. It's almost ready.
And then we have the next ingredient.
Yeah, and then we have to put the next
And this
ingredient.
may be the rice.
No, we have to put the yellow bell pepper and the red bell
Where
pepper.
did it add?
Yeah, the bean.
So we got the beans.
Mashallah. Now you can,
Two.
okay. Fatamati cook দেখেন। Arham fatamati cooker.
Mommy,
Yes, Baba.
finally, this is done.
It's done and looks so delicious, right? Wow, look at the colorful.
Next we're gonna add the booty.
No, next you have to put the yellow pepper
Yeah,
and the red pepper. Mashallah. দেখেন তো এরকম একটা ছেলে হলে আর কি লাগে বলেন তো, রাইট বাবা?
Yes. Chili pepper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mix it now, guys. Let's just
Wow, Wow, it looks so good. So colorful, right?
Yeah, because
me help
I
you now.
made it.
You made it. Mommy helped you too, right?
Yeah. We also eyeballs.
Yeah, smells so good, right, Baba?
Yeah, I believe
Baba, you smell it?
I
See?
can smell it.
Smell it. Ooh.
Ooh, it smells like pasta.
Yeah. Smells so good. Now our vegetable is done. Put butter in here so we can scramble the eggs, okay? That's enough. That should be enough, Baba. Should
Just
be.
wait till it melts.
Yeah, wait until it's melt. Then we're gonna put the eggs, okay?
Mommy, it melts.
Smell? Okay, let me put the eggs. So,
Now scrambled egg is ready. We're gonna add the other ingredient.
yeah, we have to mix it all together. All the vegetables are ready.
Yes, next we're gonna add the onions.
Now next you have to add rice.
Here's the rice.
Okay, mommy have to help you for that,
Yeah.
okay? Okay, hold on.
Look at that. Here's the rice. I got it up.
And mommy will help you.
Yes.
So now what should we do, Baba?
Add the rice. Yeah.
Yay!
Let me crush it, wait.
Now we have to be careful.
Mommy, look like we're gonna add the pepper. Look at this pepper.
Yeah, the fried rice is almost ready. Add little bit peppers on top. Then it's gonna be done. Mashallah, mashallah. Arham cooked chicken fried rice today, right, Baba? That's enough, Baba. That's enough.
I have to make it salty.
Okay.
Now we mix it.
Yes. Thank you for cooking.
You're welcome.
You cooked delicious fried
This
rice
is
today.
all what I did.
Mashallah.
Mommy did a single help. She didn't help me.
Mommy didn't single help you? You made yourself?
Yes. You were just making tea for Papa and I made it.
Okay.
Goodbye.
No, so if you like the video,
If you like the video, subscribe to my channel. Well, the fried rice is done. I'm gonna try it.
I'm gonna try it. Let's try it. See how is it. Hot?
I made it so good.
Yummy?
Yeah, I made it so
Good
good.
job.